Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to restrict someone without blocking on Instagram and PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to restrict someone without blocking him, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser, just open Instagram. And once I've opened Instagram, you just have to click on this messages option. If you want to restrict anyone from your messages or from your chat section, just click on messages. And here you'll get all chats you have. You just have to click on the chat which one you want to restrict. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just click on this view profile option to view the person's profile. Here you'll see the three dots option. Just click on three dots, and here you will see the option of restrict. Just click on this, and then click on restrict account, and the account will be restricted. Or you can go to this search section, search for the person's profile. Once you are on profile page, just click on three dots at the restrict, and then click on restrict account, and that account will be restricted. So in this way, you can easily restrict anyone on Instagram from your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.